Alright, we're going to take care of the second part of number 25 from Suggested Homework 2.6.2. And in this case here, it's going to be the same process. The only difference here is that we're looking at 30%, and that's on the less than side. So we're looking at, maybe, and this is approximation, we're maybe looking at this spot right here. So we're saying that 30% is that area underneath. So it's got to be less than that. So we're actually looking for the x value that finds us this location based upon the fact that our mean is 4.5. So just like from the other side, our mean is 4.5. I'm sorry, just from like the first part of the question. Our variance is equal to 2.1, which means that my standard deviation is equal to 1.45. Because to find that, I would take the square root of these two numbers of the variance. So we start our problem off, remember, and we're looking for 30%. So we take our 30%. Remember, this is the area, and that's equal to 0.30. And we want to find a z-score that corresponds. So we go to table E. We're on the negative side. And we're looking for, remember, 0.3. 0.3. So we scroll down here, and we're looking for 0.3. There's 0.2. Here we go, right here. So 0.3015. So that's 15 thousandths away from what I'm at. Or 0.2981, which would be 19 thousandths. So my guess would be is that we should use this guy right here. So we're going to find the z-score that corresponds. Okay, and I can't see the other part. I can see I'm at negative 5 point something, or negative 0.5, excuse me. Oops, I went too far. Okay, so it'd be negative 0.52. So negative point, I'm almost there, sorry. Alright, so my z-score would be negative 0.52. Alright, so with that z-score, now I come over here to my formula and I plug my z-score in, so negative 0.52 is equal to x is what I'm looking for minus my mean divided by my standard deviation. Okay, same process. Inverse of dividing is to multiply, so I multiply both sides by 1.45. That way those will cancel, one on top, one on the bottom. If I do it to one side, I've got to multiply the same thing to the other side. So I get 1.45 times negative 0.52. That gives me negative 0.75, which is equal to x minus 4.5. I add 4.5 to both sides. That way I have a minus and a positive, and those cancel. Whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other side. So I'm getting x is equal to 4.5 plus a negative 0.75, and I come out with 3.75 is approximately, somewhere around there. The book actually has 4.05, but if they round it a little bit differently than we did, then they're going to be a little bit different. Or if they maybe chose a different z-score than us, it'll be a little bit off, but that's going to be close enough in the right area. So that kind of gives you an idea that, I'm basically at this value right here, I'm sitting at 3.75-ish, somewhere around there. Alright, so that's basically how we get through part number 25. If you have any questions, please email me and let me know.